Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to present you how to remove image background make transparent in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture, then we click the picture and go to the format menu, then click remove background option, and we can see here automatically remove this background and some backgrounds are not removed. We select this background manually, click the mark areas to keep and select this background, or select mark areas to remove. Then we click the keep change. Now we can see here this girl's background is removed. We click the wrap text option and choose in front of text to move this image freely. Then we click the right button on your mouse, then click save as picture, then select the file name and select the save as type, JPG file or portable network graphic file, then click save. Now we can see here we remove the image background make transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.